Hello children, let us now continue with our chapter number 13, that is perimeter and area. So in this part of the video, we are going to learn about area. So children, let us know the meaning of what is area. You have been learning area from your smaller classes. That is, the amount of surface enclosed in a closed figure is called its area. It is always measured in square units. So let us now find the formula for some of the figures. That is, let us take first figure, that is square. Area of a square is given by length into breadth, but you know that in a square all the sides are equal, so it will be A into A, that is A square or side square. Let us now find the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is given by the formula L into B, that is length into breadth. So how is the area of a square given? Area of a square is given by the formula half into base into height. Here in this figure which I have taken, B is the base and H is the height. Let us now learn how to find the area of a parallelogram. So we know that parallelogram is a figure whose opposite sides are equal and parallel. I have taken a parallelogram whose base is B and height is H. So here the area is given by the formula base into height. This height is distance between the two parallel lines, that is whose base is B. So children, let us now continue and learn how to find the area of a circle. See, I have divided the circle into 64 equal sectors and arrange this sector. So when I do this, I get a rectangle. And you know that area of a rectangle will be equal to L into B. Here L will be equal to pi r and B will be equal to the radius of the circle r. So let us now derive the formula for area of a circle. So I told that area of the circle, in this case when we have seen in the last slide, it was equal to area of the rectangle. So area of a rectangle is given by the formula L into B, and L is half of the circumference and B is radius. So the formula will be pi into r, that is pi r square, and the value of pi will be equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. So let us now come to the conversion of units, which we are going to use in some of the problems related to area. So let us learn how to convert 1 kilometer square to meter square. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So when I convert these two, that is multiply this by 1000 meter into 1000 meter, I get the answer as 1 kilometer square is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter square. Similarly, I can convert 1 meter square to centimeter square. That is, in this case, I get the answer as 1 meter square is equal to 10 raised to 4 centimeter square. Now let us convert 1 centimeter square to 2 millimeter square. That is equal to 1 centimeter square will be equal to 100 millimeter. And I can also convert the meter square, that is centimeter square, to meter square, and that answer will be 1 centimeter square will be equal to 0.001 meter square. Similarly, 1 millimeter square will be equal to 0.01 centimeter square. Now children, let us solve some of the problems related to this area, that is exercise 13.2. I have selected question number 5. Here it is told that I have to find the circumference of the circle when the area is given. The the area of the circle is 7546 square centimeter. So the area of the circle is 7546 square centimeter. I know the area is given by the formula pi r square, which is equal to 7546. So r square will be equal to 7546 into 7 by 22, which is equal to 2401. And when I take the square root of this one, that is r will be equal to 49 centimeter. Now once I find out the radius of this circle, I can find out the circumference of the circle using the formula 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 49, that is 308 centimeter. So children, let us now continue with question number 6. Find the area of maximum circle that can be fit in a square of side 7 centimeter. So here we have a square and you have to find the area of a circle which can fit into this square. So the diameter of the circle that can fit into the square will be equal to the side of the square, that is 7 centimeter. And the radius will be half of that, that is 3.5 centimeter. So the area of this required circle will be given by the formula pi r square. So I substitute the value, that is 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5, which will be equal to 38.5 square centimeter. I have taken one more problem, that is question number 11. You have a wall, that is a wall tile is of dimension 25 centimeter into 20 centimeter. How many tiles are required to cover a wall of measurement 3 meter and 4 meter? So you have a wall whose measurement is 4 meter and 3 meter. So first let us find the area of the wall, which will be equal to 4 into 3, that is equal to 12 square meter. Now let me find the area of the one tile. Here the length of the tile is given as 25 centimeter and breadth is given as 20 centimeter. So area will be, I have to convert this into meter because it is in centimeter. So I will convert this into meter, that is 0.25 and 0.2 meter. That will be equal to, when I multiply, the area will be equal to 0.05 square meter. Now the number of tiles required will be equal to the area of the wall divided by area of each tile, that is 12 divided by 0.05. When I solve this, I get the answer as 240 tiles. Now children, let us solve one more question, that is question number 12. I will read it. Find the cost of painting a wall having a door of dimension 4 meter into 3 meter. The length and the breadth of the wall are 10 meter into 10 meter respectively, and the rate of painting is rupees 50 per meter square. So you have a wall which is in the form of square. Its measurement are, that is 10 meter and 10 meter, that is length is 10 meter, breadth is 10 meter. Here you have a door whose dimension is 4 meter and 3 meter. Now you have to find the cost of painting this wall. So you have to minus the area of the door. So let us write what are the dimension of the wall. Your length is equal to 10 meter, breadth is equal to 10 meter. So area of the wall, that is 10 into 10, will be 100 square meter. Now let us write the dimension of the door. Here L is equal to 4 meter and B is equal to 3 meter. So area of the door is 4 into 3, that is 12 square meter. Now the area to be painted will be equal to area of the wall minus area of the door, that is 100 minus 12 is equal to 88 square meter. And the cost of painting, it is given as 1 square meter is equal to rupees 50. So 88 square meter will be equal to 50 into 88, that is 4,400 rupees. So children, let us continue with one more question. Question number 25. It says that I have to find the area enclosed between two concentric circles of radius 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. So let us first know what is concentric circles. So two circles with the same center and different radii are known as concentric circle. So here they have given two radius. The radius of the larger circle is 8 centimeter and radius of the smaller circle is 6 centimeter. I have to find out the area enclosed between this. That is what I have shaded, that area I have to find out. So let us take the formula. So we know that area of a circle is given by the formula pi r square. So the area enclosed between the two concentric circles will be given by the formula pi r square, that is the area of the larger circle, minus area of the smaller circle. When I take pi common from here, I get r square, that is capital R square minus r square. And when I substitute the value, I get the answer as 88 square centimeter. So children, let us solve one more problem. I will read, that is question number 28. A rectangular lawn is to be surrounded externally by a path which is 3 meter wide. If the dimension of the lawn are 35 meter and 45 meter, find the cost of constructing the path at the rate of rupees 100 per square meter. So I will draw a rectangle here. So the dimension of the rectangles are 35 meter and 45 meter. They are saying a path is drawn, that is constructed, whose width is equal to 3 meter. Whose width is equal to 3 meter. So the length will now become 35 plus 6, that is width of the lawn, and the path will become 41 meter and the breadth will become 51 meter. So now let us write the dimensions of the lawn. That is L is equal to 35 meter, B is equal to 45 meter. So the area of this will be 1000. When I multiply, that is L into B, I get 1575 square meter. Now I will write the width of the path, that is 3 meter. So the length of the path plus lawn will be, that is it will become 41 meter and the breadth will become 51 meter and the area will be equal to 2091 square meter. Now we'll minus the area, that is to find out the area of the path, and that will be equal to 516 square meter. Now let us see what is the cost of constructing. That is 1 square meter of the path. To construct, I require rupees 100. So 516 square meter will require rupees 51,600. So let us solve one more problem. That is question number 29. Two crossroads, each 2 meter wide, intersect each other at right angle through the center of a rectangular area of dimension 75 meter and 50 meter. These crossroads run parallel to the sides of the rectangle. We have to find the area of this crossroad. Here we have a rectangle whose length is equal to 75 meter and breadth is equal to 50 meter. Now the width of the road, that is the crossroad, is equal to 2 meter. So first here I will find the area of the road EFGH, that will be 75 into 2, that is 2 is the width and L is the length is 75, so the answer will be 150 square meter. Second, I will find the area of the road PQRS, that is 50 into 2, that is 100 square meter. And there is a common road between these two paths, that is KLMN. So that will be given by the formula 2 into 2, that is 4 square meter. Now I have to find the area of the crossroad, which is equal to A1 plus A2 minus A3, that is 150 plus 100 minus 4, which is equal to 246 square meter. Children, With this, we conclude with our this video and also the chapter. Thank you.